Hi everyone, it's me, Jordan here. Now I don't know about you. You know how it's like when you have to go to either the Internal Revenue Service or the Social Security Administration or I don't know, Department of Transportation. And now they always have you take a number and sit in line and wait. Well, that's not the only problem. That's not a problem. It's the people sometimes are there. Sometimes you end up running into what some will call the grump. Now, people, I'll tell you the truth, not everybody's happy at what they do. There are some people who enjoy it, some that don't. Some to them it's just something they had to do and they had no choice to do it. And as far as being a case manager goes for any type of federal, state, government thing, you really don't have the same type of. You're not really upbeat about it. So it'd be like this: either you'll get lucky, and they'll give you someone who's very helpful, or if that's not available, you might get someone who's a grump. Usually it goes down like this. It always seems to be a mistake. Dingo. Hi, I'm Jordan. I'm here to show my pay stubs off. You mean the pay stubs that you emailed to us and faxed it to us and that we sent back to you saying that you were good and you didn't go past the regulated hours and earnings. Yeah. Geez, why you bother me with that for? Let me see. Yeah, it says you didn't go over the minutes, that your earnings were sufficient. Why you bother me with this for? Oh, geez, Jordan says. Nice attitude that the servant shows to the master, or in this case the mistress. Hey, I'm not the politician servant to get elected, so I don't have to be nice. And I think that might be the case. Only I don't know. I think if you're those type of government servants where being elected is how you get your job, then being nice about it. But apparently that doesn't seem to apply to the pencil pushers, the desk sitters. They do not think that the liability or getting the job done right applies to them. They're like, well, if I'm not the president or the vice president or Congress or Supreme Court Justice, if I'm not the governor and the Senate and Senate Representatives, I'm not the president or Senate Representative, I'm not the chief executive or a council or a mayor or a counselor or a magistrate, I don't have to be nice and I don't have to do the job right. Well, apparently the Social Security Administration has a better liability approval. At least what I heard. Jordan says, but I can't say the same for the Internal Revenue Service. They apparently don't have really good a liability. And even though they're trying to fix their image from their previous people in charge, they still tend to say things people don't understand and tend to be very unhelpful. So it's almost if you gotta come in person. Oh ding, oh yeah, I'm number 25. Yeah, you? Yeah, apparently Jordan said I'm here today because because apparently under my tax racket, I only have to report taxes that my company makes and people work for me. Yeah, that's right. That's the shitty tax racket we put you in. I wish you were in the other tax racket where you'd have to cover your ass from third-party spending. Well, Jordan says, you made the rule, and I qualified for it. Yeah. Oh, so you're wondering if the Ahmet Payroll Dutching Company was stingy in your behalf as far as taking stuff out for your employees and you were for your company? No, you weren't. But it is pissing me off a little bit that you don't have to take out tax returns for people who take out on your behalf. Because I'm on that tax racket. It says I don't have to. But unless you want, Jordan said, unless you have proof, and we can wait many years again in court. But most likely, you don't want to go there. No, I don't want to go there. I wish I didn't deal with your crap. Yeah, you're good. The money you take out for your company's good. The money you take out for people who work for you on your behalf, even though the on-net payroll deduction company does it, is good. But I still don't like you. Sometimes I get that. Sometimes, Jordan said, it tends to be the ones that handle money that tend to either be, I don't know, grumpy, or the ones that tend to have some type of grudge against those who they're trying to help. I'm not saying that every Social Security Administration agent or case manager or internal revenue service agent or case manager acts that way, but there are some who are disgruntled, and you just happen to have the bad luck of dealing with them. And there are some of them who are angry that they have to reinforce certain laws when it comes to tax racket and Social Security earnings, things like that. But at least I never had any of them screw up on my surname or any of them falsely accuse me of stuff I didn't do. Well, that's it for me, Jordan said. I'll see you all later.